planting, fall planting. It's September 13 now. And we're doing fall planting. We're planting Oyo trees and hydrangea. This is I think this is a limeta. This one is the part shade, and then this one is limelight prime, and that small one is the little lime. They're the same. This one is little lime, and this one is also a little lime. Azalea. I think so. Yeah. It will grow bigger. How 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 tall is that? It's 3 to 5 3 to 5 inches tall and wide. 3 to 5 feet. I mean, it's 3 to 5 feet. 3 to 5 feet. This one is this is the limelight prime. This one is bigger, taller. It's 4 to 6 feet tall and 4 to 5 feet wide. That's the same. That's the no. It will turn red when it's colder. So those are. That's the same. Limelight prime.
This one is same.
That one is the limeta. I think this one is the limeta.
Oh, where's the?
Hey, you got the tag. This one. Invincible. That's a smooth one.
This is small.
3 to 4, yes. 3 to 4 feet tall.
Okay,
That's the smooth hydrangea, the one that looks like a ball. The other ones are paniculatas. And that yew tree, how tall will that be?
I don't know. Space, height.
Height is
36, 48.
48 inches. That is 4 feet. That correct? 4 feet?
So big.
Yeah, because that's looks like a pine tree or an evergreen.
4, 6, 7.
And then the spacing, is that correct? The width.
I think so.
This one is 4 to 6 feet. This one is like a ball, 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. 3 to 4 feet tall and wide.
Yeah, I think this is perfect.
Okay. And then on the side,
Oh,
3 to 4
I don't know.
feet tall, wide. Let's just move it when when it grows bigger. And this one is the mountain hydrangea. It's a little lime. That's the same one as this one. They have the same tag. I think it's a little bit crowded there. It's too near the yew tree.
So,
Can you move a little bit? Make this in line with that?
Why?
Are they the same spacing?
Yeah.
It looks wide. It looks wider too. But won't it this the view of the window, that view tree
Yeah.
should be on the side of both windows because it will grow bigger and the view of the window will be,
Meron ako sa ganito.
it should be on both sides of the
May
window
dadalhin pa ako dito sa may.
because as his growth bigger
Yeah,
it will the window, so it should be on both sides of the window. Still thinking. This is the azalea tree. Oh. This one. Azalea, part sun. 4 to 6 hours. It will be 6 to 8 feet. 6 to 8 feet. This azalea tree. Here. That will be 6 to 8 feet tall, the azalea. Okay. Ay ko. Stop for part 2. Planting the azalea, which we bought back in May, I think. And yes, nice red flowers. So this is a garden bed, old garden bed, which had ground cover, and which my husband recently cleaned over, I think 3 weeks. So we are planting azalea, hydrangeas, and then the yew trees. And this one is the old azalea. It was already here when we moved, but it was completely eaten by the deer last year. So I think that's why it doesn't have blooms this year. Hopefully it will bloom next year. There. Is that easier than to use the big shovel? Oh, the one I use, the smaller one. You like that?
This one.
Medium. The one I use. Oh. up first. So there. Oops. Nice. Next time I will cut that tag. Okay, Azalea planted. How much did you buy that? 12, I think, no? $12. I 12 dollars. From Walmart
I don't know.
or from I think Home Depot.
Yeah.
Is that Walmart? I think Walmart. The
Walmart or
the Expert brand. I think the
Yeah.
Expert brand is from Walmart.
Walmart. Home
These two
Depot,
are
and
from, I think, from Lowe's. This rhododendron, the two rhododendrons are from Lowe's. This rhododendron has pink flowers. This one, the azalea. So how many more to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more plants to go. Next one. Oh, change of plans. That is the small
this is a perfect place.
limelight. Huh?
This is the perfect place.
That's the same as that one. 5 to
Yeah.
6 feet. 5 to 6 feet.
I think so.
Mm-hmm. So afternoon they have morning sun. Morning sun.
Or there.
I think there, because if when this grows taller, we won't be able to see that one. Oh, here in the corner. What about the yukara in front here?
And
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
worry about the
Yeah. I guess. Change of plans. Azalea was moved to the back. And the little lime hydrangea is already planted. And one of the yew trees. Oh, it looks shorter because it's already in the ground.
yes.
And that's the other little lime. Little lime hydrangea. Notice the little lime. Little lime hydrangea. Or we already know. No need to put it there.
I don't know.
I'll just keep it. I know what they look like. the next one is the second yew tree. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yew tree. So we have 3 more yew trees and 3 more hydrangeas. I'll just video or make a video after all of them are planted. Next one is the Limelight Prime. The first of 2 Limelight Prime. It grows 4 to 6 feet tall and 4 to 5 inches, feet wide. Oh, there's a rock. Next is the yew tree. 4 more to go. Small limelight, little lime, another little lime, then the azalea and the rhododendron. This one is a bleeding heart. What will happen to the gladiolus? It's too near. Yeah. Yes, that's alright. But that one is aligned with the first one. Second one is on. Malaki naman yata yung butas mo eh. Your hole was big in the second one. So, and it's still soft. You can still dig it up, move a little bit. Yew trees are very resistant. So, can be for part size. Hardy to negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Height is 36 to 48 inches and 6 to 8 feet. 6 to 8 feet wide space. So it will grow wide. 6 to 8 feet wide. When did we buy that? Was it June?
Ha?
June? We bought it in June. Way back in June.
Siguro.
How about the roots? Crunch the roots. It was on sale. Memorial Day sale. It was 50% off, so we got it for $5 instead of the $9.98. It was $4.99. Okay. So, 3 more. That one is another Limelight Prime. Step back and look. Limelight Prime from Proven Winners. What size? It's a good thing it rained. The soil is easier to dig. Oh, nice roots. Last two. Last two. And this is how the garden looks like now. 2025. This is the Invincible Limetta. The U. This is the Limelight Prime. This is the Pilotoxidum. And then the yew tree again. Or bush. Another sedum. And this is another Limelight Prime. Another yew. There. And this is the Little Lime Hydrangea. And another Little Lime Hydrangea. And another yew tree or bush. This is the rhododendron. And the azalea did not survive. So it's full now compared to when we started it in 2023. Okay.